McDonald has 5 other children. There's no word yet on what will happen to them while their mother is in jail. Jennifer Jellicoe, CTV News, Saskatoon.
Meanwhile, not far from court, close to 100 people walked in Saskatoon today to remember children who have died in foster care in Saskatchewan. The province's children's advocate says 34 children died in foster homes in 2010 alone. John Baglieri now on a father who's weighing in after his son died in foster care.
These steps are painful for Chris Martel. Each one brings back memories of what happened to his son Evander. 2 years ago, the 22-month-old drowned in the bathtub of a foster care home.
It's hard. It's hard to sleep at night. I have post-traumatic stress from what happened, and my family's also taking it hard.
Martel says the foster home his son was in was overcrowded. He says there were 5 toddlers there when there should have been only 3. The Saskatchewan Children's Advocate says last year there were close to 500 children living in homes with more than 4 children. Martel joined around 100 others to bring awareness to the issue.
I want to make sure another death like my son doesn't happen against anybody else, because it's a horrible thing.
Minister June says her government is taking steps to reduce the overcrowding. 30 new caseworkers have been put on the front lines. Droughty says since 2008, the number of children in homes with more than 4 kids has decreased by 56%.
The needs of the individual child is paramount to us, so that we can ensure that child goes into the future with as good an upbringing and support as possible.
The Ministry of Social Services has now committed to a new way of monitoring homes with more than 4 children.
Supervisors are looking at the caregivers to ensure that we're supporting them, to see if they need additional respite, to see if they need additional supports when it comes to maybe special needs of children.
The province is in the middle of a review of its child and adoption legislation. Droughty says they're in consultations with the fsin and hope to have it finished in the next couple years. John Baglieri, CTV News, Saskatoon. The truth